Okay, so we've already been riding around, and the stupid GoPro once again didn't record my audio. And so I'll just make a montage of that ride around. And, spank you. Just to catch you up, we're all in George West. Me and my buddy Mason. He's got the same name as me. He's a pretty good rider. We're fixing to go cruise some back roads for a little while, and then go back and try to hit the trails again because the GoPro didn't record all the audio. But let's see, first try. Oh yeah! First kick every time. So me and this guy actually grew up together. And we used to come out here and we'd cut like little paths through the woods back here and make trails. Yeah, but we had go-karts and stuff like that. When we were kids, we'd build go-karts together in our backyards. And then we'd come out here and rip them around. Huh? That truck shouldn't be there? Okay. Oh, never mind. Yeah, but so we used to come out here, and they used to have some property on the other side of the road back over here that we used to go ride on too, and that was a lot of fun. But since we've been kids, we've been out here ripping around on dirt bikes and go-karts and four-wheelers. One of my old four-wheelers is still over here in the back in the junk pile, so that's kind of cool. Ah, I got rocked. Don't fall. Yay! I think that bike's actually a little bit faster than this one now because he's so much lighter than I am. I also don't have any E85 in here, so this jet's a little rich for this thing right now. I should have slapped some in there. The gas station that I had stopped at had E85 at it. I don't know why I didn't do that. All right, let's get a good race in. That one sounds so much better. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go! This one's breaking up really bad. Go! This thing can't even keep up with me on it, and he's just dragging my ass the whole time. That's still wide open. So there you go. That's how much faster that bike is than a stock Hawk, and without a fat guy on it. It was breaking up for a little bit there, but it's not anymore. So right there, if you port your head, the electric start is fucked up on that one.
Yeah.
I got the battery I think is done. It's got the stock battery in it. But if you port your cylinder head and you put E85 blend in it and do some carb work, full exhaust, if you're a fat guy, it'll be just as fast as a stock Hawk. There we go. Got it out.